Okay, so our VM is configured already. So we fixed our flaws and let's go back to the Cloud Defender and then add the select this machine and then say workload protection and keep moving forward with this. So over here, we're gonna go to advanced. So just in time, and then we got this. We'll make a request on this request for our machine to be done. Please select port on open port, and I guess it's done. So 1 VM for just in already in place. So presented data is okay. So we have this is done, and we get this a screenshot. It's done. So let's keep moving. We are on a fair. All right, so I just went to this quick remediation. So the log analyst agent should be installed and on our machine in case of any vulnerabilities. This is what I fixed. So it's no longer needed. So let's go back to the Defender. All right, so let's check on just in time quickly and not configure. There's no VMs because it doesn't really need to be done. We have our protection set. All right, so now we're going to try connecting into our machine. So we'll go to our machine, home, virtual machine. Virtual machine, let's just say to our VM and let's see if we can get connect. Okay, is our IP address. And then on the VM, we're gonna connect on the left pane and select my IP as a source and request access, select request access. So let's find my IP. Connecting using my IP. Okay, so I think is here for change request access configure for so I have the request access and where I connect. Request access and we are requesting access. And let me screenshot quickly. If we go to the networking tab in our VM, we can see our rules have been updated. So RDP traffic is allowed for certain amount of time only the IP of our computer. Anyone select who can attempt and establish RDP connections will be black via just our just-in-time rules. So let's go to networking. So now we see the rules that are established. Inbound rules. And let me see. So what's up and what's not. So it's only our Connect Microsoft Defender has updated 3 rules. And within just in time Microsoft Defender for Cloud, 100. So we have this already set a couple of times. So what we need will be, let me see, these rules are set to allow. And some of them look like they're, let me see, the same. And I'll figure out how many we need because we got so many. Active voucher. And for this, I think we need this one. So deny on any. Yep, that's good. And then Microsoft Defender, allow any. Let me see. CP, RDP, deny, and then allow my address. So these two look like they're the same, so I'm gonna delete one. Delete. Yes. And then Microsoft Defender 83, blah blah blah. Destination, allow any. Delete that because I only want that address to go in. And let me see what other ones I have. Allow any. Everything that looks the same, I'm deleting. All 3 and all 10. Delete that. Any deny. Allow any. All I need is 2 rules from this in RDP, TCP, and allow my address, then deny any, then allow VLAN. Yeah, I think those I needed. Okay, so let's just go with these set of rules and move on to the next step. So next, when working with log and data in Azure, we need to somewhere to store, operate the data of the log analysis. Workspace is used to collect and store data from Azure resources. So create a log analysis workspace, and we will deploy Sentinel to configure log analysis workspace. I'm gonna say search Microsoft Sentinel